Hello friends, our today's topic is how to invest and save your money for the bright future. The whole life passes for earning money and fulfilling responsibilities. After this, if everyone needs is a happy retirement, but to spend comfortable retirement, one should need a saving and proper financial planning. Existing lifestyle stress is the common thing to retire before time, but many of you do not agree with this. Retirement from job should be in any age, but it should be brilliant way. Everyone thinks about relaxed and tension-free retirement, but more people do not plan it. If the earnings of a lifetime are not available after retirement, then what worked so hard? So friends, today we know some investment schemes which makes your retirement life happy. So let's start. First one is PPF. PPF is the best option for saving money. In this, we can only save money and can also earn interest. In today's date, PPF is the best option for saving and its interest is tax free. The rate of interest of PPF is 8.7%. You can open PPF in bank or post office. It's a kind of safe money saving. EPF, 12% of salary goes into EPF. Its rate of interest is 8.75%. It's a retirement savings scheme. Salaried person can take advantage of it. Mutual funds. If you wanna save for a long time, then invest in mutual funds, that is in SIP mode. It having two options, that is invest in mutual funds or invest directly in equity. NPS, it's a new pension scheme with 10% tax saving under ATC. It having six different funds investment facilities. It having no limit for investment. There is a minimum investment of 6,000. If in the case of 30% tax slab, then can save 15,000 rupees through NPS. In this, the age group for investment is 18 to 55. Real estate. You can also invest in real estate. It can also be a good option. If you give your property on rent, then after retirement you can earn regular income on that property. You can do it before or after retirement. As early as you do your retirement plan, that you can properly concentrate on your goals of life. As early as you do retirement planning, then as much as money you can save. Starts retirement planning from the age of 25 to 30. So you have no need to depend on others for medical and other needs. Don't invest in a single scheme. Invest in different schemes. So friends, these are some schemes in which you can invest money for your retirement life and make your retirement life happy and stress free. Thank you.
If you like our video, don't forget to click it and share it via Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp and other social media platform or site. Also to subscribe us to receive our new videos regularly. Don't forget to click bell icon to receive updates. We will keep posting 3 to 4 videos once a week regularly.